Today we have good opportunity to talk with the Thai monk at the Wat Thong Thamachat. So we're gonna start talking with the monk today. What is your name?
My name is Somsak, but my Buddhist name is Siddhisaro. Yes, I'm 32 years old.
And how long have you been a monk?
Since I was 12 years old.
How long are you planning to be a monk?
In Buddhist, we believe something. Everything is not sure. Maybe tomorrow also in the future. Maybe for all my life. Yes.
I have some question. Our customer like to know more about their Buddhism and Buddhist monk as well.
Mm-hmm.
Can you help me to give the answer?
Yes,
So,
of course.
and so I got this video.
Mm-hmm.
So
Are monks allowed to drink alcohol?
Okay. Very good question. Not allowed to drink any alcohol because when monk drink alcohol, not just only monk, I think for you also lose your mind and you cannot control yourself, and even you want to meditation, you cannot meditation.
Mogen monniken ook zonder bril?
Monk cannot wear glass. It's for fashion. Yes, but doctor said he have to wear same like a sunglass. He have to wear. Yes, but if he need to wear for fashion, it's not allowed.
How many monks are there in Thailand?
In Thailand, nowadays we have allowed 300,000 monks in Thailand.
Can monks use a phone or watch TV?
By the way, it's not allowed. 2,500 years ago, in that time we don't have phone, also television. That's why Buddha he did not make some rule for monk. But nowadays is important for monk, but not necessarily. I think we use for communicate or we want to contact with some work for temple. We have to use a phone, but not for amusement or entertainment.
Did you plan to be a monk for the rest of your life?
Yes.
Why do monks have to shave their heads?
It is very good question. Don't worry too much about I'm handsome like this like that. This is not kind of monk. Yes. For monk we have to follow 227 rules from Buddha.
Do you stay on one temple during your monk period?
For me, I used to stay in outside Bangkok around 8 years. I came to stay in Bangkok around 13 years.
Can I become a monk?
Can you become monk? Yes, you can. If you believe in Buddha, you can become monk. Yes.
Do monks get paid?
Not all monks get paid or salary, right? But for Thai monk, we have organization also same like administrative monk organization. But Thai government, we offer some salary for monk. It's very less, not too much. Per month, allow 2,000 baht, like that. For monk who have a position, not all monk.
Mogen monniken ook zonder een oranje doek over straat lopen?
No, not allowed. Yeah, if inside temple allow, monk they have to wear same like a cover all his body. It's not same like this. When we inside temple, we wear same like this. When we stay in temple, but outside we have to wear his cover same like this. If monk not wear same like a cover his shoulder, both of shoulder, also is not allowed.
Betekent de kleur van de kleding die ze dragen ook iets?
The color don't mean anything. Yes, Buddha is allowed 6 color for Jivala. We call Jivala. In the past, maybe we think why we wear same like this color is not allowed same like a black color, or because before this we don't have temple. Monks stay in cave or forest or jungle like that. It's dangerous for monk if monk wear some color, some animal they don't like. You heard from outside Bangkok, if a buffalo, yes, if they see same like a yellow color, they will go and what? Attract like that. Also that กระทิงว่าไงนะ Blue. If red color, also they will attack. Yes.
Is there a difference between a monk here in Thailand and, for instance, in Nepal?
For Buddhist monk, we have two sets of monk. First one we call Mahayana is the same like a monk who stay in China, Tibet, and Mongolia or some country. It's close to China. That first set we call Mahayana. For Hinayana, we follow the rule is same Buddha. What he said, what he did when he's alive. Same like we follow everything, same like him before, since last 2,500 years ago. What did he did? Also nowadays we follow that rule. We call Hinayan. That monk who stay in Cambodia, Thailand, Laos, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, also maybe some part of Nepal.
Why are there so many dogs at the temple?
On the morning, monk went out to receive alms early morning. After he finished his lunch at 11:30 or 12, all that food is belong to dog. Also for someone who will travel to another city. Also for poor people or homeless people.
Has the reason for joining the monastery changed while being in the monastery?
About me, when I was child, I went to temple with my family every day. I wondered that why everyone is respect monk. Also, when I was child, I'm afraid of ghosts. Yes, and I heard some new. Any ghost is afraid of monk. Also, I think he's a very good person. I thought like that in that time. When I grew up, around 12 years. Also, my family they asked me, "You want to become novice? Not forever, maybe just 1 week, 2 weeks like that." Then I decided to become novice. Novice means during year is 10 to 20. After 20 is a monk. Yes. For novice we have 10 rules for novice. Yes. For monk 227. Yes.
What would cause you to leave the monastery and go back to normal civilian life again?
I'm still monk, but for another monk, they have so many reasons. Also, if they cannot follow that rule 227, they have to leave for monk. We have 4 important rules. First one is if a monk have sex, even with boy, girl, animal, body dead, everything is they have to leave for monk. Second one is kill animal, human, everything. If they have life, they have to leave for monk. Third one is they steal some money or anything. If they have value more than 1 baht, they have to leave for monk. As the last one is they say something is not true, maybe overaction, same like they can fly, they know some acknowledgement. He said achievement, same like a Buddha, same like that. They have to leave for monk.
Does it cost money to become a monk?
If you want to become monk, we have to manage something. It's necessary for monk. Maybe we can buy something for. We have to manage something. I mean, we have to pay something for that thing. It's not too much. In Thai tradition, we think who want to become a monk in their life, we think it's very important. But all family, our cousin, it will support everything for that person who want to be monk. Yes.
I would like to say big thank you to you as well for answer our question for today. Is there anything you would like to say to the foreigner or the tourist?
This temple not only for monk, it's for everyone, not just someone who believe in Buddhist only. Also for everyone, not just only temple. Also every temple is the same. Then don't afraid of monk. Monk also is a human. Also is but monk they have so many rules to follow. Then they have to avoid something, and then they have to follow some rule from a Buddha. Also, if you want to practice or you want to study about Buddhist, you can come to temple. But you have to, same like everyday monk, they have also work. They have duty to do. If you want to come, you have to appointment or something like that. Let him know when you will come.
ขอบคุณครับ Thank you so much for watching our videos. If you are interested in learning more about Buddhism and want to see the real Thai way of life, consider doing the bicycle tour with us. We take you off the beaten path and see the real Bangkok. Click here to go to our website and find out more about our tour. Click here to know more about Koh Van Kessel. And then click here to see our previous video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.